Imagine if a common spice in your kitchen could not only enhance the flavor of your meals, but also hold the key to repairing your DNA and fighting cancer. This isn't just a fantasy. This spice is real, and you likely have it in your pantry right now. Welcome, health enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into the world of spices and uncovering a hidden gem that could revolutionize your health. The spice we're talking about is none other than turmeric. Known for its vibrant yellow color and distinctive flavor, turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but recent scientific studies are shedding light on its incredible potential to repair damaged DNA and combat cancer. Stay tuned as we explore the amazing benefits of turmeric and how you can incorporate it into your daily diet for a healthier, cancer-fighting lifestyle. DNA is the blueprint of life, carrying the genetic instructions that make us who we are. However, our DNA is constantly under attack from various sources, such as environmental toxins, UV radiation, and even our own metabolic processes. Over time, these assaults can lead to DNA damage, which, if not properly repaired, can result in mutations. These mutations are a major factor in the development of cancer, a disease that affects millions of people worldwide. The challenge lies in maintaining healthy DNA and ensuring our bodies have the resources to repair any damage that occurs. While our cells have natural repair mechanisms, these processes can be overwhelmed or impaired, especially as we age. This is where turmeric comes into play. Emerging research suggests that this humble spice might offer powerful support in protecting and repairing our DNA, thus playing a crucial role in cancer prevention. So what makes turmeric so special? The magic ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, a natural compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its health benefits, and its ability to support DNA repair and fight cancer is particularly impressive. 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage DNA. By reducing oxidative stress, curcumin helps protect our genetic material from harm. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a known contributor to DNA damage and cancer progression. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation at the cellular level, creating a healthier environment for DNA repair and cellular function. 3. Enhancing DNA repair mechanisms. Studies have shown that curcumin can enhance the activity of certain enzymes involved in DNA repair. For example, curcumin has been found to increase the levels of proteins like ATM and ATR, which play crucial roles in detecting and repairing DNA damage. 4. Inhibition of cancer cell growth. Curcumin not only helps repair DNA, but also has direct anti-cancer effects. It can inhibit the growth of various cancer cells by interfering with multiple signaling pathways that are essential for cancer cell survival and proliferation. 5. Inducing apoptosis. Apoptosis is the process of programmed cell death, a natural way our bodies eliminate damaged or cancerous cells. Curcumin has been shown to induce apoptosis in cancer cells, preventing them from spreading and causing harm. The most compelling evidence of turmeric's benefits comes from a variety of scientific studies. For instance, research published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research found that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced the formation of DNA adducts, segments of DNA bound to cancer-causing chemicals, in smokers, suggesting a protective effect against DNA damage. Another study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry demonstrated that curcumin enhanced the expression of genes involved in DNA repair in human cells, further highlighting its potential to support the body's natural defense mechanisms. Moreover, clinical trials have shown that curcumin can slow the progression of certain cancers, such as colorectal and pancreatic cancer, by inhibiting tumor growth and promoting cancer cell death. These findings provide strong evidence that incorporating turmeric into your diet could have profound implications for your health and longevity. In summary, turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, offers a multitude of health benefits that extend far beyond its culinary uses. Its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help protect and repair DNA, while its ability to enhance DNA repair mechanisms and induce apoptosis in cancer cells makes it a promising ally in the fight against cancer. By adding turmeric to your daily diet, you can harness these benefits and potentially reduce your risk of DNA damage and cancer. Whether you sprinkle it on your meals, enjoy a warm cup of turmeric tea, or take it as a supplement, incorporating turmeric is a simple yet effective way to support your overall health. Now, it's your turn. Start adding turmeric to your meals and experience its incredible health benefits for yourself. Share your favorite turmeric recipes or your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content that can help you live a healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.